Jira or Kanbanchi? Which tool is right for you? In today's video, we'll explore the features of both to help you make an informed decision for your project management needs. Let's start with the dashboard. Kanbanchi offers a clean and intuitive interface, perfect for visual thinkers. With its very customizable boards, you can organize your tasks effortlessly. Creating a board in Kanbanchi is very easy. Simply click on New Board and start adding your tasks. You can assign tasks, set due dates, and add descriptions in a matter of seconds. Now, let's take a look at Jira's dashboard. While it looks more complex at first glance, Jira offers powerful features for teams of all sizes. Creating a project in Jira involves setting up a project, choosing a template, and adding issues. Jira's flexibility allows for detailed issue tracking and long, extensive customizations. Now, let's dive into task management. Kanbanchi uses the Kanban methodology, enabling smooth movement of tasks with no effort through easily customizable columns. And give a like if you don't mind it. In Jira, task management is handled through issues. You can prioritize tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress using various filters and boards. Both Kanbanchi and Jira excel in task management, but Kanbanchi's intuitive interface may be preferable for teams looking for a smooth and ready-to-use type of tool. By the way, let us know in the comments what is a must-have feature for the project management tool of your dreams. Anyways, our Kanbanchi offers real-time collaboration features such as comments, mentions, and notifications that allows team members to work together seamlessly. Jira also provides similar features, keeping everyone in the loop throughout the project lifecycle. Kanbanchi perfectly integrates with Google Workspace, allowing users to attach files directly from Google Drive and synchronize tasks with Google Calendar. You can also create cards from within your email account with our Gmail add-on. Jira, on the other hand, offers extensive integration capabilities with various third-party tools and services, including popular developer and project management applications. Kanbanchi provides customization options for boards, columns, labels, and card templates. Users can tailor the interface to match their specific workflow preferences. Jira also offers customization capabilities, allowing users to create custom workflows, fields, issue types, and screens to fit their unique project requirements. Kanbanchi's simplicity and customization may suit teams seeking a quick setup and who want to start to work and make money now, whereas Jira's extensive customization options cater to larger teams with complex project structures and workflows. Kanbanchi and Jira are both powerful project management tools with unique strengths. If you want an app that is intuitive, highly integrated with Google Workspace, and easy to use, your best bet is going with Kanbanchi. If you value complicated customization and scalability, more advanced reporting, and require a wide range of integrations, Jira should be the project management tool for you. But we think you should give Kanbanchi a try and see why we're the highest rated project management tool for Google Workspace.